Steven, I haven't done this before. I'm trying this as new. I was getting something interesting on the screen and just thought I would try to see if I could even send something to you. Don't know how well this is going to work. It really doesn't give me much time, Steven, for recording. I've changed the lights a little bit. I'm hoping this makes it easier to see. I don't know what kind of video software you've got, but I have seen some images in this thing already. So I wanted you to
Spirit.
She's pretty close to complete. She still needs some more tweaking. The screen is just sitting there. I'm holding it in place. It's not attached. So, Steven, here is what your ParaView will look like unless I decide to do away with the speakers that are in there and go with new speakers. And of course she's got to be cleaned up. She's got my fingerprints all over her. But this is pretty close to what she will look like when she is complete. This is the prototype ParaView that I made. And this is Steven's monster sitting next to it. Steven has to have the best. And you can see the laser grid in the back because the prototype already has the laser grid installed. Okay, another catch-up video. Fully adjustable grid mounted into my prototype ParaView. And that is the laser grid in the ParaView.